Hey everybody, welcome back to Life in the North 40. I'm Rick.
And I'm Brittany.
Thanks for joining us for part 6 of our off-grid cabin build.
Come on and check out our progress and see what we've done.
Going well. Don't fall through.
No promises.
Can you tap, while you're up there, I need you to tap that board up on that end. So I've got these little supports all in along the run here. So this one I had to go on the other side because that post was in the way. Got one there, and then of course that one is screwed and nailed into that 4x4. All right, so I'm ready to get that other header board on this side of the 4x4 screwed in and sandwich those babies in nice and tight. I have a little bit of a fix I'm going to try to do here. My deck ended up being a little higher than my floorboards, just a little bit along that leading edge. Even though this is going to be under a roof and protected up against the house, before I put the siding on, I'm going to go ahead and put some 7-inch flashing up against that bottom plate, just to keep water infiltration out from inside the cabin up against this wall. So I'm just going to tack that flashing in and push it down into the crack below the flooring and deck level. That'll catch any moisture, water, and push it away from the flooring. Alright, so I notched this side stud here, the first one on my high side. This is 1.5 inches in for the width of the 2x8 roof rafter. And then this is a 15-degree angle here for that to cradle on. That's the drop of my rafters.
Yeah, I see you do that. Good move, babe.
Whew, another muggy day. Today our goal was to get a sidewall in. This was something different. As you can tell, we notched into the existing rafter edge, and so we had to measure as we went, and we had to put a 15-degree angle on every one of the cuts because that is a 15-degree drop on our rafters. But we do have a 48 by 48 window. This box here is for our chimney. We're going to go ahead and put galvanized steel on both sides. we'll cut a hole to fit and run our double-walled stovepipe right through here, an elbow, and run that spark arrestor above the roof line. And then in here, we'll come from the stove with an elbow and come out. Okay. All right, so.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, I don't have it anymore.
All right, so it's gonna sit there for now. All right. Okay. Okay, walk it up.
I'm trying.
I can't get it yet. Still can't get it up higher. I got it. Whoop.
I got it.
Got it? All
I
right.
got it if you need to move.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna start turning it. And then get it. Okay, I gotta get out of here.
So no.
Yeah, hold on. This wall here. Pull it right in. See these studs? Pull it in just a little bit for me. Right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Got it? You're going to clip it onto the end of that rafter if you can. Okay, and then let me have it, sweets. Am I hitting?
Sounds like it.
Don't fall through.
No promises.
Can you tap on your, while you're up there? I need you to tap that board up on that end.
Yeah, like it's gonna happen. Smile, you're on candy camera.
Getting the roof on. Thank goodness, things are going well. Finally got it squared up. At first, it was hard to get everything squared, but we had a little bow, little movement in the old sidewalls. Coming along nice now though. Okay. Next. Make sure it's flush. You see how it's right in that joist?
Yeah.
I want to have it flush and tight. Are you tight?
Yeah.
And flush?
Yeah.
And then I need you to bring the generator back up. Now I want to get my drip edge on my left and right sides and my back edge tacked into my plywood. I do have a substantial overhang on the backside to push the snow and ice away from the structure, but I'm not going to have much of a overhang on the sides of the cabin. I'm going to have just about 1.5 inches of the metal just hanging over with no support, so I don't want any more than that, left and right sides. So I am going to put a drip edge underneath that, and then we'll tack in our tar paper, redo our chalk lines, and start getting sheets of metal up. Well, I'm gonna have to, at this edge of my roofing, I didn't get flush with this piece here, and that's because I had to have this plywood justified that way towards the middle of the deck to catch that joist at the end of that sheet. I'm justified over because of how I did my layout. So I'm gonna just put my drip edge here, and I will extend my metal roof over to be flush with this run here so that it matches up. This is flush with that joist. The joist kind of turns in a little bit, as does my other side, because of my 4x4s and where they're at for the deck and how warped they were. So I'll get the drip edge on there, and I've got this lobe sticking out for my joist coming from the outer edge of the cabin here, the roof rafter. And so I'm gonna have to put my drip edge out on that line, and then I'll bring it in here and run it this way. So yeah, get that handled. No easy way to do that but to lay down my belly again to get out on that corner. Like I'm low crawling. Well, I wanted to get the sheathing on, the tar paper, and the drip edge today, and I ran out of tar paper. I need just a little bit more to be under the crown cap that will cover the apex. That piece of sheet metal designed just to cover and cap your top portion. So I'm gonna go get some more tar paper tomorrow and finish this job and then start cutting my sheet metal. Well, as we're editing this video and getting this posted and getting content out for you to see our progress this week, we're getting our metal roof on. We hope to have the metal roof on for this video. We didn't quite make it. So our next video, we're hoping to have our siding on, our house wrap on, the metal roof, getting this thing dried in and buttoned up.